What prevents a bank account levy from debt collection? Imagine waking up one morning to find your bank account frozen and your money taken without warning. It sounds frightening, but there are ways to stop this from happening. Let's explore what can prevent a bank account levy during debt collection. When a creditor wants to seize your funds, they usually need a court order called a levy. But many protections are in place to keep your money safe. First, certain types of income are protected by law. This includes Social Security, supplemental security income, disability benefits, unemployment insurance, workers' compensation, veterans' benefits, public assistance, child support, alimony, and most retirement accounts like 401ks and individual retirement accounts. To keep these funds safe, you must notify the creditor and sometimes the court that your account contains exempt money. If you don't, the bank might freeze everything, including your protected funds. Another important factor is the amount of money in your account. Many states, including New York, have laws that protect a specific amount of money from being seized. For example, in New York, if your account balance is below a certain threshold, such as $3,960, the bank cannot freeze your account. These protections are separate for each account you own, so knowing your state's rules can save your money. The statute of limitations also plays a role. This is the time limit a creditor has to sue you for a debt. If this period has passed, they cannot take legal action to levy your account. For example, in some states, the limit is 3 or 6 years depending on the type of debt. Ignoring old debts can be a mistake because they might no longer be legally enforceable. Negotiating with creditors can help avoid a levy altogether. Many prefer to settle outside court by agreeing on a payment plan or reduced amount. Starting conversations early can prevent a lawsuit and the court order that leads to a levy. If you are sued, you have the right to contest the case. You can argue that the creditor did not follow proper procedures, lacks proof of the debt, or that the statute of limitations has expired. Showing up in court and defending yourself might stop the levy before it begins. Filing for bankruptcy is another option. When you declare bankruptcy, an automatic stay goes into effect immediately. This stops most collection actions, including bank account levies. It's a serious step and should be considered with legal advice. To avoid common mistakes, respond promptly to court notices or collection letters. Keep exempt funds separate from other money if possible. This makes it easier to prove your protected funds. Using prepaid cards or payroll cards can sometimes make it harder for creditors to find and seize your money, but they are not foolproof. If you only receive exempt income, notify the creditor and bank in writing and provide proof, like benefit statements. If your account gets frozen, act quickly to challenge the levy or claim exemptions. Remember, some people try to avoid levies by using expensive check cashing services or payday lender accounts, but this can cause new financial issues. Understanding your rights, knowing what funds are protected, and taking quick action can help you keep your money safe during debt collection.